Hello and welcome to the Lifestyle Freedom. Thank you so much for being here. This video is part 1 of the Groove Pages tutorial series wherein I'm going to show you how to use Groove Pages and how to set up the global site settings. So, please utilize the topic timestamps in the description so that you can skip directly to the section that you want to learn. On the other hand, if you're new to the channel, you might want to consider subscribing and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, let's log into Groove Pages. Then you should go here and click on a new site. These tabs at the top show the templates for single pages, entire site templates, funnel templates, webinar templates, and my templates, which are your own personal templates that you can save. Returning our focus to individual pages, you may arrange these templates by the drop-down category or by clicking on any of these categories. So if all you need is a template for lead generation, these are the options. Note, this tutorial is using the premium account. However, if you have the free account, you still have access to selected templates, but most of these templates will have a premium badge on them, indicating that you need to upgrade. But don't let this deter you from creating your own website and funnels. As a recommendation, when creating funnels or websites, it would be best to first sketch up a wireframe of the page on a pen and paper or a whiteboard. Moreover, to save time on styling and formatting, you can refer to other funnels related to your niche and then model it using the available templates from Groove Pages. For instance, once you have chosen a design, then scan the available templates that have a similar structure for your starting point. Now click on the complete sites and for this video, choose the digital agency website as a template, then provide your site name and click Start Building. Let's start with the global site settings that apply to your entire website. Go to Settings and then click on Site Settings. This is the name of your Groove Pages project, which will allow you to identify the project when you log back into Groove Pages. For example, if you connect back into Groove Pages and put Digital Agency into the search box, it will display all of your Groove Pages with that search term. Next, the favicon is the symbol that represents your website. For instance, if I go to the lifestylefreedom.com, you'll see this icon over here, which is the favicon. To change your favicon, click Choose Image, upload the image, and you may resize the image using the Update Dimensions options. Now click Select. That's how you update your favicon. This is the global font settings that you may set as the default for your website under Font. If you click on the drop-down arrow here, you will see all of the fonts from which to pick. If you select Oxygen, for example, this means that every time you drag in a text element, that font gets set to Oxygen as the default for you. Enabling website redirection allows you to choose external or internal redirect options. This is helpful if you have pages already indexed by search engines and you don't want to simply delete the page. Hence, one of the options is to use redirection from the old page to a new page. Custom CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets, and it is where you put a piece of code to define a custom style for your website's layout, borders, colors, fonts, and so on. If you're a website developer, you can do additional customization here. On the other hand, if you're not a developer, you can use the available options on the right panel when you click on a particular element on the page. Next, this is where you may put your analytics code like Google Tag Manager, or any other tracking codes such as Facebook Pixel. So for instance, if you want to add your Facebook Pixel to your pages, just copy and paste the code from your Facebook dashboard and paste it here. You have 3 options of where to paste the code: head, body top and body bottom. Just follow the instructions from your tracking code provider on where to place it. Note that any code added to the global site settings, which can be found here, will apply to all pages on your website. Thus, adding the Facebook pixel to the site settings will track all pages in your whole Groove Pages project. As you scroll down, you'll see an open graph, which is a social sharing setting. The Open Graph allows you to choose how your links are presented on social media platforms such as Facebook. You want to be able to customize the picture shown if you share your page or website link, right? You accomplish this by selecting an Open Graph picture and clicking on the Choose Image button. Click Choose Image, upload one that you want, then click Select. Note that the dimensions of an Open Graph image are 1200 pixels by 630 pixels for best display. Set the Open Graph title, which will act as the headline that you want to appear when you post your link. For example, let's key in the Lifestyle Freedom course. When you're happy with your global site settings, click the pink check button and verify that the content saved notification has appeared. Now, we've covered the global site settings options of your Groove Pages account. In the next video we will cover the other options in the settings menu. So stay tuned. That's it for this video. I hope you had some value and insights into using the global site settings for your Groove Pages project in the best way possible. If you learned something new from this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to access more resources related to the topics on this channel, you can visit www.thelifestylefreedom.com. Lastly, how's your Groove Pages global site settings set up? Let me know by leaving a comment.